Hello everyone. Till now, you can see like how we can create the data space inside uh, Business Application Studio. So from today onwards, we are going to see how we can create the project. So for that, we will discuss today and navigate inside that Business Application Studio. Right now, you can see here it is in the state. You have to start. So click here to start that environment and wait until it is in running state. Also, in this session, we are discussing that creation process of SAP CAP project. Like CAP means Cloud Application Programming, and we will understand that mta.yml file which is present inside that, and we will discuss the understanding of package dot json and the package lock dot json, and the next video we will prepare the cap project for development. So this is going to start. It will take time. It might be started. Yeah, it's now running. Now click on that FS apps. So inside that window, first we will make sure that environment is connected to database like HANA database through Cloud Foundry. So if you click here, it will automatically show you. I already logged in the last session, right? We have installing finished the tool. Yeah, you can see here that services under that login required. It says that login required, no issue. Click here and asking for credential. Go with credential. Sign in here. Enter your credential here. Click on sign in. It will allow you to get inside the system. You can see now, you can see that ABAP file and HTML file here. So if you click here, you will find out that database list here. Now we are going to create a project. Okay, so get us started. Now click on new project from template. So as already told you, we are going to create CAP project first. So click here to select the CAP project and click on start. Now we will see there is some details you have to find, like fill here, name the project. I am going to rather just a learning purpose. We are going to create this project. So we will go with learning purpose. This is Node.js only, HANA Cloud, Cloud Foundry, CI/CD pipeline. No required thing, no required for these things. Content. We will record, will take add their file dependency file. Now I have to click on finish. So you will see here that inside the project overview, it's loading. You can see here that the starting cap project generator. These are the path, root path, creating project with HANA MT and Node.js pipeline. Okay, you can see here that services, user interface, and external sources. So to proceed with that, you can see here we are creating one file project with learning purpose. So now we are going to understand the things which we have inside that, like what is SAP BAS, that I already told you that is Business Application Studio. Right now we are in, and we are going to create one project under the CAP model, that is Cloud Application Programming model, and we will develop through the using of MTML and Node.js package file, and we will manage their dependency and will deploy them and life cycles. So first of all, we try to understand that you can, as you access this SAP BTP using BTP cockpit, and or either you can install this in your local system if you have a project. This is a trial account, so we have web version. Inside that, we can manage you can manage a space. So now we can proceed further with SAP project creation. We have added this project learning purpose inside that workspace. So to run like either you can create manually as I already show you on that window. Either you can use CDS init command to create the project. So we are going forward to understand the deployment configuration. That means how we can deploy that that model, learning purpose model inside BTP. First, we use these YAML file and .json file to deploy this. So first of all, you have one concern: what is exactly mta.yml file? So these file acts as a deployment file. How and why? Like this is a dissipator that defines application inbuilt package. That means what we need is defined inside that. You can see here that module, that service, logon purpose as SRV is there. Learning purpose DB deployer here. So these are the services we need here, right? So inside that model section, we define application component such as Node.js services, database, a specific type, a path, or building parameters. That I hope this is clear. And next is resource and dependency. That that is external service like database, and the authentication of that database, dependency of the database. You can see here that type is HANA database, path is Gen HANA database, Gen/DB. So if required, we need to change these path also, right? And the purpose is to provide complete proof, like the purpose of YAML file, mta.yml file to provide blueprint of automated project or deployment of all project what we are going to do inside that cloud migration app. So this is MTAYAML. Now we can learn about these two sections, package log JSON, and the another one is um, package.json. So rule of that package.json file is define project metadata. So these are the file where we can define the project metadata and dependency executable script essential for mapping Node.js project. This is essential for every Node.js project. I hope you understand. And one like if we are talking about the purpose, so the purpose of just executable script for mapping inside the JSON file. These are the only purpose. And the thing, the another one is package log .json. So this looks exact dependency version to like ensure consistent building of predicted runtime behaviors. Like now we can see there, like it show that behavior dependency. You can see that dependency inside the system or behavior across all environment. It depend upon these log.json file. You can see here CDS file, bin, engine, peer dependency meta. So everything we can see here license.js, CPDS, everything is there. So uh, through this we can set up cap apps and we will deploy inside the system and we will configure and we will check the dependency and create that whole project related to this. And in the next video, we will prepare a CAP project for develop and deploy that. Try to deploy the same same lecture. So till now, this is what we have. See you in the next video. Thank you.